How to create Etsy mockups. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create Etsy mockups. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, if you've been using Etsy and other online stores, then you know that mockups are really important. Even if you have a high converting product and with a good title and a good description and you know it's gonna work and it doesn't, the main reason could be because you are using a very generic mockups, right? Especially on Etsy. People want to buy products that are homemade and they think are of good quality. For example, if you use, let's say, Printify or Printful's standard mockups, you're not really going to catch anyone's eyes because if you upload your products onto these mockups, they're going to be flat. Even if the product itself has a little bit of curves and folds, the product, when you place your design on it, it's just going to look flat and people will instantly know that this is a generic type of mockup. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a website which is called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing website where you can get real and better looking mockups. All right, over here, when you upload your mockups, they aren't going to look flat, even if there is a little bit of curves and folds in the design or the model. Your design is not going to look flat. And over here, the pricing of this is $7.49 per month. All right, you get the largest mockup library, designs crafted by professionals, fully customizable logos, ready to use video templates, exclusive designs, photos, commercial usage, and high resolution as well. There is a free plan, however. So if you click on the free plan, you can join by using your Google account or Facebook account or even Apple, or you can just simply input your email address and password and just simply click on sign up. I'm going to be continuing with Google, and there you go. All right, now I have logged in. Now let's go ahead and check it out. So if I come over here onto mockups, and I have these different options to choose from, right? So you can just choose any of them you want. Let's wait for a couple of seconds for it to load. Over here, as you can see, the designs are going to be like this. Very weird. But let's just say that we choose this mockup right here or this one. Let's go ahead and choose this one. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now over here, we'll just simply click on got it. Over here, we'll just insert our image. There is this watermark, but you don't have to worry about that. If you don't want to use the watermark, and of course you're gonna have to buy the plan, but for now I think we'll go with a free plan because we know. So now we just simply insert our image. The resolution is set over here. We add in the text as well if you want to. We can add different graphics that are already provided over here, as you can see, and we can upload our own graphics as well. So let's go ahead and insert a design. Let's go ahead and click on upload from your device. And now we just simply choose our design. So let's go ahead and choose this one since this is a different design. And over here, we get the live preview. Over here, as you can see, even though there are folds, it looks really natural and looks like the model is actually wearing the mock-up, and it looks really nice. So oops, sorry, I close it. Let me go back and do it again. All right, so now let's go ahead and move it up a little bit. If I go ahead and increase the size, the live view is also going to increase. Can I move this somewhere? I don't know. As you can see, we can even increase it to all the way like this. Let's go ahead and go with a 500%. See, that's how it looks like. We're getting what we want. So we'll keep it right here and we can move it to the top and see how it looks like. Maybe if we put it right here, no, we'll have to put it right here in the center like so. And I think this looks good. Now let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, even though there is this fold, it looks natural. So we can go ahead and use this mockup right here. We'll click on crop, and over here, this is how it looks like. Then we can just simply download our mockups and we are good to go. We just simply download it. All right, there are two ways to purchase this. One single mockup, we can buy it only or go unlimited. So in order to download the design, you're going to have to get the plan. It seems like that. Or if you're just using the mockup, you could just buy the mockup for $7.99, $7.95, and you are good to go. Let's go ahead and try some other options as well, see how it looks like. Maybe this one actually, because this one has a bunch of different folds in it as well. And if you're wondering where I created my design or where I got it from, I used Canva to create my design, and I used this website called remove.bg or remove background to remove my background as well. And you can, I think, also get another website where you can remove watermarks. Yeah, watermark remover. So over here, you just simply upload your image and remove your watermarks as well. So boom, there you go. You now you know what to do with this little thing. Anyway, let's go ahead and see it right here. So as you can see, there are folds in the shirt, but let me zoom in. But it looks natural and it looks good. So now you know what I mean. So if you are wondering where you could get cool looking mock-ups that actually work, now you know the place where to get mock-ups. Because on Etsy, of course, you're gonna need mock-ups like these or these that look really cool in order to start selling on Etsy, you know? And we can also find other options as well. So if I come over here onto mockups and let's say we go with a 3D mockup, then we have these options right here. You can choose that as well, or you can choose a proper type of, mockup right here, like legging sweatshirt. And there's also print on demand as well. So you got phone cases, mugs, bags, wall arts, phone grips. You've got promotional ones as well, billboards and stuff like that. And you've got prints as well, such as books, business cards, magazines, packaging, stationery, posters as well. So they've got a bunch of different applications as well. Like they even have digital mockups as well for like iPhone mockups and iPad mockups. Let's go ahead and check out iPhone mockups real quick. So this is how your iPhone mockups are going to look like. I think you can find similar images on Canva as well, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, I think this would look really cool. So if you're uploading your own, let's say, digital application or digital mockup, you can do it by just simply using this mockup right here and uploading your image like so. So let's go ahead and try it out. Let's go ahead and click over here and upload our design. So as you can see, it looks really cool. We can even resize it, but we can remove it as well. For now, let's go ahead and upload our design as well. Let's go ahead and upload this design. It's not good. Okay, let's choose the other design that we can actually see, like the black one, like so over here. So we can choose this design as well. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. But of course, if it's a website image or an application, I think that would look much better on a design for an iPhone. There's also TikTok apparel as well. So as you can see, TikTok apparel videos as well, right over here. So these are like TikTok videos that you can use. So if I click on, let's say this one right here. So this is actually pretty cool. This is a video in itself. So if I just simply insert my image or design, let's say this skull one, right? Let's say this is my design. Keep it right here. Yeah. We'll click on crop. Now, if I play all the slides, as you can see right here, this is the video. Just wait for it to load up. All right, so now it's loaded up. Now, if you play the video, this is how it looks like. Let's see how our product actually looks. Okay, so this is how it would look like. Yeah, but it doesn't really show it right here. There you go. Now we got it. All right, reviewing last changes. Yep, we can choose the top color as well or crop the top. Let's go with a darker gray color as well. Can we do that? Yeah, actually it looks really cool. So over here, as you can see, done. We'll close that. Now if we play the video, okay, it doesn't, I don't think the video actually shows our image, but as you can see, it looks really cool. And our actual mock-up will look very good in this video as well. It won't look fake or generic as well. So yeah, I think this is a good website to create mockup. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.